Good morning, friends. This is Anjali Sharma. Today we'll be talking about a hydrating cleanser, and that is from a biotech. This is a final product. Just have a look. So it's written here. Let me just read you whatever stuff is written here in this bottle. It does have a bioberry, and let me tell you this biotech brand is from Switzerland, and they always give a very high quality stuff. So it this biotech products is made of botanical extracts and their products. So this is for all skin type. This is a cleanser. You have to take a cotton pad and then take a this particular cream form hydrating cleanser and then clean your face and you remove your makeup. So let me tell you, it does have bioberry in it. I don't know the properties of it because I'm not expert about their botanical qualities, but this is 100% Ayurvedic recipe, and has got a Swiss technology. They always have a very high good quality stuff. So it's written here, this refreshing non-foaming lotion is blended with burberry, fenugreek, lodra bark and almond oil to dissolve makeup and grime, leaves skin feeling soft and smooth. So let me tell you, as it is written here, it leaves the skin soft and smooth. This really gives a justice to the 100%. When I clean my makeup with this cleanser, I have felt so good about it that I'm like stick to this product for forever. This is my like best product, guys. I'm just telling you, I have never experienced that good about any other cleanser. As it is written here, it's hydrating. It really hydrates the skin. Sometime if I forget to apply any moisturizer in the night time after removing the makeup with this, my skin is totally hydrated for entire night, and it really heals the skin overnight so good that you will feel your skin soft, supple, plumped. I don't know any cleanser does that job. So let me read more about it. It does have Indian Burberry roots, lodra bark, almond oil, lotion base. This is a Ayurvedic medicine for external use only, not for internal use. And this is originally pure and preservative free. It does not have any preservative in it. And this is a dermatologist tested, and this is very safe for use, or no animal testing with this product. So this is a very good thing about. And this is not a cosmetic product. This is not cosmetic. This is already always like Ayurvedic stuff. It does have therapeutic benefit. It really heals the skin so well. I have made this video about this product earlier also, but just to read more about it, telling more and good quality about it, and I have experienced more good stuff about it, I thought of making it again. And what other use it with this price is the price of is 170 rupees. It's quite economical with the quality they are offering, guys. Oh my god, I have experienced so good about it. And you can use this product after like manufacturing 3 year or so. Let me just take out some of the quantity of this product on the cotton pad so that you can see that this is a creamy, thick, creamy consistency, though not runny one. Just have a look. And I will be cleaning my this particular. It does not have any makeup. It does have only moisturizer, and I will be cleaning this and from the cotton pad. It really gives very soft hydrating, and it really removes the makeup so well. I feel like sometime when I apply it, this cream nearby to my eye area, I sometimes feel, not always, when I apply the heavy makeup on and I like remove makeup very thoroughly and again, I feel little bit itching, but it really goes away soon. And see the cotton pad, it does have like bit of dirt and moisture part has come out, and my skin, I think, feeling quite soft and moisturized. And when you will touch your skin, you will love it for sure. This is not like other cleansers who makes the skin dry, or maybe not that good quality. It really gives a very high quality skin after using this cotton pad and this cream. So this is my fair review, and I will really recommend to all my viewers at least try this hydrating cleanser once, because I liked it a lot. Maybe you just because of my recommendation you will try it and you have find out something good about this product. If you did not like anything about this product, please do let me know in a comment section below that it's working for others or not. But this product worked for me so well that I can't explain about it. And definitely in future I will buy this product only. Maybe for the review purpose I will buy other products and will tell you how those products are, but this is too good, guys. You can easily go about it. Thank you so much, guys. As of now, my this video ends here, and I'll be meeting soon in my another video with good information, good product, and the quality content. So thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.